People often come to me and say, how is it possible to let go of a fear, phobia, anxiety when someone's had it for many years? Well, the thing is, the brain learns incredibly quickly. Imagine for a second, if you will, you're a dog lover, you're an animal lover. For years and years, you've loved dogs. They're amazing, whatever. And then in a moment, you get your hand ripped off by a dog. Excuse the graphic imagery. But how fast do you think that person could go from love to fear? Or alternatively, imagine you're in love. You're in love, you're in love, you're in love, amazing relationship. And then one day you find out your partner's been cheating on you. How fast would you go from love to hate? Probably very quickly. And so we know with enough negative stimulus, we can create fears, we can create anger, we can create all these negative emotions. But the good news is that's also true for our positive feelings. There are various ways to pinpoint our fears, take out the emotional charge and start linking positive associations to them. And I cover that technique and many more in my brand new book, Face Your Fears. You can find it in all good bookshops, so check it out today.